Dear friends of S.I.N, once again here at CIOSP, the largest congress in South America. This year, once again, with a booth that surprises bigger and better to welcome everyone who is coming. We are very excited for this start of the year, and we are waiting for you.
And another very successful year for our implant arena, where we gathered over 850 people during these 4 days with 30 ambassadors. There was an international presence and people from all over Brazil as well. And today we are very happy with everything that has happened here.
Another spectacular CIOSP for S.I.N. 2026 marks the arrival of the singular family to this massive family that is S.I.N. And may 2026 be a year as fulfilling and happy as this CIOSP has been, which is our kickoff.
At CIOSP 2026, S.I.N. has brought several innovations that take your patient care to a whole new level. And this year, S.I.N. promises even more news throughout the year. All this is to show that S.I.N. brings solutions, innovations, and together with you, we generate new smiles.
Another year of CIOSP concluded with great success, many smiles generated, and our S.I.N. home always full. And the doors of our home, S.I.N., will always be open. So we'll see you in 2027, right, Teddyson?